I would say that from an investment perspective, in terms of our day-to-day operations, uh, while AI gives us a massive scale, speed, agility, and superpowers, as I mentioned, we still feel that human judgment, pattern recognition, and domain expertise is indispensable, certainly in what we do. So we see AI as truly that Iron Man metaphor. It's not a replacement for our staff, but it certainly makes our staff an order of magnitude more productive in what they can accomplish and empowers them. It's also, I would say, from the investor side, given how noisy the AI landscape has gotten, we think a lot about what is the key determinant of investment success. And in our mind, it is more important today than it has ever been to separate the wheat from the chaff because the sheer volume and number of AI companies that have been formed over the last 12 to 18 months is mind-boggling.